today's video, I gonna show you how to cook pancit canton guisado on my own version. First, prepare a pan with water and boil. And prepare also the cabbage and eggs. Second, I put the pancit canton noodles in boiling water and cook in 3 minutes. The pancit canton, put in the strainer to get excess water. In pan, saute the cabbage. Then, put the seasoning on the pancit canton. And mix it. Put the cabbage and garnish with sliced egg. Bye-bye.